Use Youthful Essence Home Microdermabrasion Kits. Microdermabrasion kits were originally designed for skin professionals like dermatologists and skin aestheticians. These kits help in exfoliating and moisturizing the skin. They have active ingredients in them, and that is the reason why they were first designed for skin professionals. But as technology improves, home microdermabrasion kits are developed. People no longer have to go to their dermatologists to have their exfoliated and moisturized. They only have to buy home kits and they can do the work themselves. Using home kits are way cheaper than going to a dermatologist. One more advantage of using these home kits is that they give the same pampering as when you go to spas and clinics. Taking care of your skin is very important as it reflects your age. Sometimes when you neglect your skin, it looks older than what you really are. Use Youthful Essence Home Microdermabrasion Kit to pamper your skin. Read on to learn how to use it. Purchase a Youthful Essence Home Microdermabrasion Kit. This kit comes with facial warming cleanser, skin enhancing serum, vitamin-enriched resurfacing cream, for eyes complete night treatment, single facial sponge applicator, spa facial cleaning brush, triangular sponge, pumice stone foot polisher, water-resistant resurfacing tool, large body sponge applicator, and massage attachment. All these cost $69.90. A little pricey, but you get your money worth with this kit. Take a shower. It is important that your whole body is clean prior to applying the products. They are best used before bedtime so the products have time to absorb into the skin overnight. The facial warming cleanser can be used every day, prior to exfoliating your skin. Attach the spa cleaning brush to the water-resistant resurfacing tool and lather a small amount of the cleanser on your damp face. Massage the face with circular strokes using the tool. Rinse your face with lukewarm water. Do this every day. Exfoliate your skin 4 days a week. After cleansing your face, attach the single facial sponge applicator to the resurfacing tool. Take out the vitamin-enriched resurfacing cream and apply generously on your face. Do circular strokes for 4 minutes. Rinse face thoroughly. You can also do this on your body. Just attach the large body sponge applicator to the tool for larger coverage. Follow with the post-treatment. After exfoliating your skin, or even if you don't, lather skin-enhancing serum on your face and body and for eyes complete night treatment. Use the massage attachment to relax facial muscles and massage your face. Leave the creams on overnight. Shower in the morning and you will notice the softness of your whole body. Make sure that you are not allergic to any of the ingredients in using home microdermabrasion kits. If you are, your skin may be damaged. Prior to using the kit on your skin, test the product on a conspicuous area and see if it will develop any allergic reaction within 24 hours. If it doesn't, you can use it on your skin safely. If it does, discontinue use and consult your dermatologist on the best brand and product that you can use. She may recommend a milder product so you can still exfoliate your skin without any allergic reactions.